In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 strategies for creating a branded YouTube channel. Believe it or not, there was a time when businesses and marketers stepped back from publishing content on YouTube. These days, however, YouTube has become a prevalent platform for companies to promote their brands. If you are interested in developing a YouTube channel or your current one requires a facelift, these 4 strategies will help you get started with the process. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Let's see what's coming now. Avoid overcommitting. If you run a business, your time is probably already pretty stretched. However, if you want to have a successful YouTube channel for your brand, then you need to spend the time creating high-quality content. One way you can do this without overcommitting yourself is to outsource the work. Make sure that you find someone who is already set up and can quickly implement your strategy. Have them upload your content, develop the titles, descriptions, and tags, and have them monitor your comments, subscriptions, and put them in charge of optimizing your channel. Don't just repurpose old content. While you should post your TV commercials and as seen on TV episodes online, you don't want them to be the only kind of content on your channel. These type of content are designed for one-way medium. While your viewers might want to have the ability to view this content on demand, if that's all you have to offer them, they will never revisit your company's channel. YouTube provides you with the opportunity to push your brand past the traditional marketing tactics and create high-quality videos that address multiple viewers and a variety of needs. Broadcast your best self. You want to make the feature video on your channel the most entertaining and best piece of content. If that means you have a funny commercial or a video that is cleverly written, then that's what you need to do. When a viewer visits your channel, you only have one chance to make an impression on them, so make sure you take advantage of the opportunity. Make a menu of content for everyone. YouTube is nothing more than a search engine for videos. You need to create tailored content that takes into consideration what consumers are currently searching for or what they need to know about your product or service. If you build the right videos, when a consumer is searching for information about your competitors, they will come to your videos first. An excellent place to start is by creating instructional and how-to videos. YouTube has become a powerful tool that can be used in your overall marketing strategy to increase awareness about your brand. These 4 strategies will help you create a branded YouTube channel that will gain subscribers. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let us know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.